Visiting Rotarians and guests, let me begin with the recognition and recognize DZ Vasudev Golyan. Welcome to our class.
It's my great privilege to welcome you to this 9th installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Thamel. It is indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you on this 9th installation. We have come a long way, right? So thanks to you Anns for supporting us. And this is the history, and I'm sure the good work that we have started will continue. And our presidents, our members are all qualified, and they are eager to be with us. And I hope they will continue to be with us and make this a very lively club. Thank you.
दुईजना बच्चाहरू जसको लाइफ चाहिँ चेन्ज हुन्छ भन्ने हामी विश्वास लिएका छौँ। अबदेखि उनीहरूको आमाले यो दाउरा खोज्नलाई दिनको 2-3 घण्टा जङ्गलमा बिताउनु पर्दैन। I remember my installation as a president last year at Hotel Mallam. We are here today already for another installation. 1 year has flown by very quickly. A proof perhaps for myself that I enjoyed being with you all. I'm grateful and must thank you all for entrusting me with the responsibilities of a president. More than 90%. Few names: Kumanji, Mukundaji, Vibhutiji, Jyotiji, and Madhuji. They all have more than 90% attendance.
Our support, I think it was a mutual understanding, mutual help to each other. That is always important. So thank you so much.
Thank you. हाम्रो नयाँ प्रेसिडेन्ट रोटरी कोमुटको इन्ट्रोडक्सन हाम्रो रोटरीको ट्रेडिसन अनुसार गर्नुहुन्छ। ACCA from UK and Dr. Asma, dental surgeon, and he is blessed with one son, Ashirwad, who is undergoing CA course in Nepal. He lives in Ward number 29, Thamel, Kathmandu. His address is there. Classification: he is a practicing chartered accountant. His qualifications are: he acquired master degree in business administration and commerce from Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu, and acquired chartered accountancy degree from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Professional experience: practicing as a chartered accountant under the COP. And actually I don't know what that COP means. COP of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nepal. Worked with Bank of Scotland Ireland Limited, ICC Consulting in the restructuring project of Nepal Bank Limited.
Administer
the duties
of the office
of President in business-like manner and in accordance with the club's constitution and bylaws.
With the club's constitution and bylaws.
Thank you.
Vasudev Golyanji, DGE Yogendraman Pradhanji, DGN Dilendra Seshtaji, distinguished persons on the dais, district officials, fellow Rotarians, spouses, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here in front of you this evening to accept and assume the responsibility given to me as the President of Rotary Club of Thamel for the Rotary year 2011-2012. My sincere thanks to all the members of my club for trusting me as a leader for this year. I would like to ensure all of you that I will do my best for the betterment of the club with service projects and other activities which are supposed to be done by an effective Rotary club. During the tenure of IPP, Rotary in Ashok, we had very good projects like building Rotary image, girl child education, school support, disaster management, biogas project, buffalo project, and so on. We could also succeed to get awards from district for some of these projects. Now, the new year has come. This year, RI President Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee has given a theme, reach within to embrace humanity, which means Antarmanbata Manavtalai Angalu. That means you should serve the community and the feeling should come from your inner heart. In this regard, he has given three emphasis on three things. One, first is family, then continuity, and the third is change, including Polio Plus. Also, we should continue to support the Rotary Foundation. As of today, there are 13 PHF members in our club. This year, our target is to make 3 more PHF members and at least 1 MPHF member in our club. We will also try for net growth of 3 members during this year. By implementing our projects, we will try to change and improve the lifestyle of the community people. Under these guidelines, our district 3292 has set certain goals for Rotary year 2011-12. Our club will definitely add some values for achieving these district goals. I am confident that I will get full support from my team and all the members of my club in this endeavor. Friends, I am going to read out the names of the new board, new team. So I will call the names, please come upon on the dais. The team of this year, 11-12, as you know, President myself, also the IPP. Our second VP, please come on the dais. Jyoti Chandukar, as IPP said, we are not going to leave him. He feels secretary this year as well. Chandra Prakash Raj Bhandari, treasurer. Swayambhu Ratha Puradhan, he is our sergeant at arms.
Do accept and understand
Do accept and understand
the charge of the office
the charge of the office
to which I am elected,
to which I am elected,
and will work with
and will work with
diligence
diligence
for the betterment of the club.
for the betterment of the club.
हामी एन्ट्सहरूले विभिन्न एक्टिभिटिजहरू गरेर क्लबमा सहयोग पुर्याउँदै आइरहेको कुरा सबैलाई विदितै छ। हामीले गत वर्ष पनि च्यारिटी फिल्म सो गरी फन्ड रेजिङ प्रोग्राम गरेका थियौँ। त्यसबाहेक अनाथ आश्रम, वृद्ध आश्रम तथा विभिन्न सामुदायिक विद्यालयहरूमा केही सहयोग पनि गर्यौँ। थमेल क्लबले आफ्ना सामाजिक कार्यहरूमा संलग्न हुन दिई सेवा गर्ने मौका प्रदान गरिदिनु भएकोमा क्लबप्रति आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु।
Congratulate President Kumud and his team for being elected, selected, nominated. Also, let me thank IPP President, IPP Ashok and his team for accomplishment of their responsibility in building communities and bridging continents. अहिलेसम्म अब नेपालमा हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3292 नेपालमा आजको डेटमा 78 वटा क्लब छ, 20 वटा जिल्लामा सीमित छ। त्यसै समवेयर 2450 मेम्बर्स छन्। त्यस्तै 72 वटा रोटरी क्लब, 55 वटा इन्ट्र्याक्ट क्लब, 47 वटा आरसीसी र त्यस्तै अन्यथा नलागेमा 2485 unless someone has poor or somewhere not married. र यसरी हामी धेरै काम गर्न अगाडि सक्षम भइराखेका छौँ।
I congratulate IPP Ashokji for his wonderful work he has done last year, and I also congratulate your whole team. You have did excellent job. Congratulate once again. So this is very important, and this is our responsibility too, that vibrant clubs must help the weak club, new club or remote clubs.
Thank you giving is always difficult, I think. To say thank you is easy, but thank you giving, if we miss anybody, somebody might feel it, that I'm not being thanked. So I would like to request my friends that, if I miss anybody, their names particularly, that, not that they are not being thanked. Your team, with the 11 goals, we have a very positive things that, in our minds, and we will be with you. So at the same time, we thank you very much for inspiring us this evening, being here.
By President Rotarian Kumud for health and happiness of RI President Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee and First Lady Vinodha Banerjee.
I would like to propose toast for health and happiness of RI President Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee and First Lady Vinodha Banerjee.
Ninth installation ceremony in our meeting number 504. Total attendance, club members 17, district officials 8, ants and families 17, rotractors 2, guests 9.